Welcome students, good morning. This is my new video of class 5th computer and your chapter is chapter 8 problem solving. So we start a problem and its solutions. So students, what is a problem? A problem is in which we can do something and we did not get the results easily. So what is written here? Aman wants to show the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 on the abacus but does not know how to do it. Can you guide him with stepwise instructions to solve his problem? Please tell me how can I from the number. So stepwise instructions to solve Aman's problems are: first, pick up 8 beads and put them in the 1 spike, pick up 6 beads and put them in the 10 spike, and pick up 4 beads and put them in 100 spikes, and pick up 2 beads and put them in 1000 spike. As we can see, the stepwise instructions given above have solved Aman's problem. Look how happy he is. So hooray, I really did it following your instructions. So now the number will be 2468. Okay, so easily the Aman's problem is solved. So stepwise instructions are required to solve a problem. When we can use the stepwise instructions, then we can easily solve our problem. Frank Gilbert made the first flowchart in 1921 for showing office processes. First use the flowchart for describing a computer program was done by Herman Goldstein and John von Neumann. So problem and its solution. The problem is like a question and solution is like a answer. When we follow the stepwise instructions, then we can easily solve our problem. Next topic is algorithm. An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions given in a logical order to solve a problem. The stepwise instructions that led to the solution of Aman's problem is an example of an algorithm. Let us view a few more examples of algorithm. So what is the algorithm, students? An algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions given in a logical order to solve a problem. Okay, when we want to solve any problem and then we give the stepwise instructions one by one, and that instructions are in a logical order. Okay, if you want to make a cup of tea, then first you put a pan and light the gas and then do something, add sugars, okay, add tea leaves and add milk, and then it can easily made. Okay, so if you miss any steps and you cannot change the steps in any order, so you can follow a particular logical order. Example is here, look here. What example? Same example is there. Algorithm to make tea: put the required amount of water in a pan, turn on the gas and light the flame, put the pan on the burner flame, add tea, sugar and milk to the water, turn off the gas and remove the pan, strain the tea in a cup. Next example, algorithm to find sum of numbers using a calculator. Turn on the calculator, press the number buttons to enter the first number, press the plus sign, press the number button to enter the second number, and press the equal button to display the sum. So an algorithm to solve a problem can be written in simple English or any other languages that one knows. So the steps, follow the easy steps, okay, and all that steps you have to write in a logical order and you cannot change the order of any one. Okay, easily and logical order you can write and you can follow the steps and your problem will be solved. Okay, so this is the algorithm. An algorithm, you can write an algorithm in easy English language or any other language. If you want, then you can easily write a simple English or any other language. Need of algorithm: we now know that an algorithm is a problem solving technique where step by step instructions are given in order to solve a problem. What is here? An algorithm is a problem solving technique. What is this? problem solving technique where step-by-step instructions are given in order to solve a problem. Step-by-step instructions are given in order to solve a problem. Algorithms are especially useful when we want to instruct a computer to solve a problem. So algorithms are especially useful when we want to instruct a computer to solve a problem. Let us see a few specific examples where an algorithm is written for the purpose of giving instructions to the computer to solve a particular problem. So we can use an algorithm especially when we want to work on a computer and we want to do some specific work from a computer, then we can follow the algorithms. Algorithm example 1, algorithm to instruct the computer to add two numbers. So what is the instruction? Input the first number, input the second number, find the sum is equal to a plus b, and display the sum. So in this, the first two steps are the input steps, the third steps are processing step, and last is the output step. These two steps are the input steps, and this is the processing step, and last is the output step. So what there are three basic steps: input, process, and output. I think all of you also have already knowledge that computer work on a IPO cycle. IPO, input, process, and output. The first we have to give the input, then computer is processing on that, and after that computer get the result. Algorithm to compare two numbers: input the first number, input the second number, and here is compare a greater than b. If yes, then display a is bigger. If no, then display b is bigger. So that is easily okay. So if yes, display a is bigger. If no, then display b is bigger. So here also first two steps are the input, and this is the process, and these two steps are the output according to the process. So an algorithm to solve a problem can be easily converted into a computer program with the help of a programming language. The person who writes computer programs to make a computer solve a problem is called a programmer. So an algorithm to solve a problem can easily converted into a computer program with the help of a programming language, and who can do this, that person is called a programmer, because a programmer is a person who writes computer program to make a computer solve a problem easily. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.